It's shining!
That's the honey.
It smells amazing!
Let it rest. The rain is steady this morning.
Good for the forest.
We'll start preparing early.
The ground is slippery.
Step where the roots are.
Is this where the bees are?
Above us, on the warm side of the rock.
They're here!
Stay still. Hold the basket steady.
I will! Be careful!
I've got it. The comb is full. Easy now.
It's still sweet.
Let the water take it.
It's glowing.
Fresh from the mountain.
Will it drip slowly?
Yes, we let it take its time.
It's getting full.
Just a little more.
Is this for the glaze?
Yes, with our honey.
It smells sweet.
It will shine when it cooks.
It's shining.
That's the honey.
The fire is ready.
Then we wait.
Almost there.
Just a touch more.
It smells amazing.
Let it rest.
Let's eat.